Chapter 10, Adobe Animate, an Introduction. Magic Carpet. Starting Adobe Animate. Elements of Animate. Creating a new document. Using the Tools panel. Drawing and Painting tools. Selection tools. View Modification tools. Adobe Animate CC is a professional tool used to create animations, compelling interactive games, mobile apps and more. It is a multimedia authoring and computer animation program developed by Adobe Systems. It uses both vector and raster graphics. Animate CC replaces Flash Professional CC. Now, let us learn how to get started creating your own animated and interactive content on Adobe Animate. Let us take a look at the various tools and panels in Animate. The stage and surrounding pasteboard. Anything within the stage is visible in your project. The pasteboard is the surrounding area and is off stage. The timeline. This is where you manage layer order and animate content across frames. You can access the motion editor from here. The library and properties panel. It displays the properties of a selected object. When no objects are selected, it will display properties for the document itself. The Animate library is where symbols and imported assets are stored. The camera. It is one of the new features in Animate CC and is used to zoom, pan, rotate and even add tint and color effects to your content. The Tools panel. All the tools for editing are present here, like brushes, shapes and primitives, the pen tool, the new camera tool and many more. Creative Cloud Library. Animate CC includes integration with Creative Cloud libraries. This means you can access all of your content including shapes, colors and brushes for use in your Animate projects. Now, you can also share symbols and documents to your CC libraries and other users using Animate CC. Start Animate. Follow the steps given below to start Adobe Animate. Step 1. Click on the Adobe Animate CC 2018 icon or select it from the Start button. Step 2. Click OK. Step 3. The welcome screen of Animate CC will open up. Create a new Animate project. Choose File, go to New from the Application menu and then click on HTML5 Canvas. Alternatively, you can choose HTML5 Canvas from the Create New column in the Welcome screen. Once the new document is created, you can configure properties like width and height, background color, frames per second, etc. Width and height. It is used to set the size of the stage. Pixels are the default unit of measurement for the document. Ruler units. It is used to specify the unit of measurement for the rulers. Frame rate. It is used to specify the speed of the movie in frames per second. Background color. It is used to change the background color of the stage. Tools panel in Animate. The tools in the Tools panel let you draw, paint, select and modify artwork as well as change the view of the stage. The Tools panel is divided into 4 sections. The Tools area contains drawing, painting and selection tools. The View area contains tools for zooming and panning in the application window. The Colors area contains modifiers for stroke and fill colors. The Options area contains modifiers for the currently selected tool. Modifiers affect the tool's painting or editing operations. To show or hide the Tools panel, select Window, go to Tools. Fact: Genie. Adobe Animate was earlier known as Adobe Flash. On December 1, 2015, Adobe announced that the program would be renamed Adobe Animate on its next major update. Tools in the Tools panel can be divided as follows. Drawing and Painting tools. Selection tools. View Modification tools. Select Tools. Do one of the following. Click the tool in the Tools panel. Depending on the tool you select, a set of modifiers might appear in the Options area at the bottom of the Tools panel. Press the tool's keyboard shortcut. To view the keyboard shortcuts, select Edit, go to Keyboard Shortcuts, Windows or Animate, go to Keyboard Shortcuts Macintosh. On the Macintosh, you might need to move the mouse to see the new pointer appear. To select a tool located in the pop-up menu for a visible tool, such as the rectangle tool, press the icon of the visible tool and select another tool from the pop-up menu. Text tool. Follow the given steps to use the text tool. Step 1. In the Tools palette, click the big T or use the shortcut key T. Step 2. And then in your document, click and drag to create a text box. Step 3. Just go ahead and start typing. Step 4. When you're done, you can close the text window by pressing Escape or clicking the X button in the upper right corner. Drawing and Painting Tools. The drawing tools help you create and modify lines and shapes in your project. The lines and shapes are all lightweight vector graphics. Vector graphics describe images by using lines and curves called vectors, which also include color and position properties. Parts. Whenever you draw a line or shape in Animate, you create a line called a path. A path is made up of one or more straight or curved segments. There are anchor points which work like pins holding a wire in place at the beginning and end of each statement. You can create several kinds of graphics or objects using different drawing modes and drawing tools in Adobe Animate. Draw with Pencil tool. Follow the given steps to draw with Pencil tool. Step 1. To draw lines and shapes, we can use the Pencil tool. Step 2. Select Window, go to Properties and select a stroke color, line weight and style. Step 3. Select a drawing mode under Options in the Tools panel. To draw straight lines and convert approximations of triangles, ovals, circles, rectangles and squares into these common geometric shapes, select Straighten. To draw smooth curved lines, select Smooth. To draw freehand lines with no modification applied, select Ink. To draw with the Pencil tool, Shift-drag to constrain lines to vertical or horizontal directions. Click the stage and drag. Draw with Pen tool. Follow the given steps to draw with Pen tool. Step 1. Select the Pen tool. Step 2. Position the pen tool where the straight segment is to begin and click to define the first anchor point. If direction lines appear because you accidentally dragged the pen tool, choose Edit, go to Undo and click again. Step 3. Click again where you want the segment to end. Step 4. Continue clicking to set anchor points for additional straight segments. Paint with the Brush tool. The Brush tool draws brush-like strokes. It creates special effects including calligraphic effects. Follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the Brush tool. Step 2. Select Window, go to Properties and select a fill color. Step 3. Click the Brush Mode modifier and select a painting mode. Step 4. Select a brush size and brush shape from the Brush tool modifiers. Step 5. To zoom the brush proportionately to the zoom level of the stage. As you increase or decrease it while you draw, select the zoom size. With Stage Check box. This allows you to draw seamlessly, adjusting to any zoom level and preview your work as you draw. Draw rectangles and ovals. The oval and rectangle tools let you create these basic geometric shapes and apply strokes, fills and specify rounded corners. Follow the given steps. Step 1. To select the rectangle tool or oval tool, click and hold the mouse button on the rectangle tool or oval tool and drag. Step 2. To create a rectangle or oval, draw the rectangle or oval tool on the stage. Step 3. For the rectangle tool, specify rounded corners by clicking the round rectangle modifier and enter a corner radius value. A value of 0 creates square corners. Step 4. Drag on the stage. If you're using the rectangle tool, press the up arrow and down arrow keys while dragging to adjust the radius of rounded corners. For the oval and rectangle tools, shift drag to constrain the shapes to circles and squares. Step 5. To specify a specific size of oval or rectangle, select the oval or rectangle tool and press the Alt key in Windows or Option key in Macintosh. Then click the stage to display the oval and rectangle settings dialog box. For ovals, specify the width and height in pixels and whether to draw the oval from the center. For rectangles, specify the width and height in pixels, the radius of the rounded corners and whether to draw the rectangle from the center. Draw polygons and stars. Follow the given steps to draw polygons and stars. Step 1. Select the Polystar tool by clicking and holding the mouse button on the rectangle tool and selecting from the pop-up menu that appears. Step 2. Select Window, go to Properties and select Fill and Stroke attributes. Step 3. Click Options and do the following. For Style, select Polygon or Star. For number of sides, enter a number from 3 through 32. For star point size, enter a number from 0 through 1 to specify the depth of the star points. A number closer to 0 creates deeper points like needles. If you're drawing a polygon, leave this setting unchanged. It does not affect the polygon shape. Click OK. Drag on the stage. Selection tools. There are three types of selection tools in Adobe Animate. Pointer, subselection, lasso tools. Tool, icon, description. Selection tool, V. Use this tool to select an entire object. Click or drag an object to enclose object with rectangular selection. Subselection tool, A. Use this tool to reshape a motion path of an animation. You can expose the control points and Bezier handles on the path that corresponds to each position property keyframe. Lasso tool, L. Use this tool to create an irregular selection outline on an object. Polygon tool, L. Use this tool to define a selection area with a series of connected straight lines. To pick up this tool, keep the lasso tool selected and click the polygon tool. Magic Wand tool, L. Use this tool to select areas of a bitmap graphic that contain the same or similar colors. To pick up this tool, keep the lasso tool selected and click the magic wand. The selection tool lets you select entire objects by clicking an object or dragging to enclose the object with the rectangular selection marquee. To select instances, groups and type blocks, you have to enclose selecting objects. To select a stroke, fill, group, instance or text block, click the object. To select connected lines, double-click one of the lines. To select a filled shape and its stroked outline, double-click the fill. To select objects within a rectangular area, drag a marquee around the object or objects to select. View modification tools. Hand tool. For changing the view of the stage without affecting the magnification, we make use of the hand tool. For having a closer look at the particular position of the graphic object on the stage, we make use of the hand tool. Zoom tool. We can change the magnification level with the help of the zoom tool. When you want to do very detailed drawings, this tool becomes handy. For increasing the magnification, we can zoom in, and for decreasing the magnification, we can zoom out. You can use the Enlarge or Reduce Modifiers option in Tools panels for zooming in or out the image. Rotation tool. We can rotate the stage in different directions with the help of the rotation tool. It is available by clicking on the small triangle at the lower right of the hand tool icon. Magic Scroll. Adobe Animate is a software used for creating animation movies. Stage, Timeline, Tools panel and Properties panel are some of the elements of Animate interface. Some of the drawing and painting tools are Text tool, Line tool, Rectangle, Oval, Polystar, Pencil, Paintbrush tool, etc. Some of the selection tools are Free Transform tool, Lasso tool, Polygon tool, etc. For inserting text on the stage, we make use of Text tool. For drawing straight lines, we make use of Line tool. Timeline is the area in which we decide the sequencing and timing of various graphics and other elements for creating animation. Stage is the area where we place graphics, text to be shown as part of the movie. A. Put a tick on the correct